Sanderson Sisters. Oh, look how fast those things are moving. Bro, look how fast those clouds are moving.
Are you guys looking for a yard sale?
Yes.
Oh, 127, you're on.
There you go. We're finding a ton of them.
Where are you from?
I'm from Utah. Flew out here just for that.
Well,
Yes.
that's why I was asking. You have that look.
Yeah.
You know me, I'm
You have both of you, except for the guy in the red cap. He looks very distracted.
Me?
You.
I'm distracted?
You are
That's
distracted.
what my wife tells me.
What do people do?
Unlisted.
Listed for 479. I don't think you're gonna get that.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Gotcha.
But like, I like, wow, 170 for brand new.
Like a documentary on it or something.
Probably 30 bucks. Put out at 34.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy it. I know it's so comps for this, but $2 is worth the risk. I think we can get anywhere from like 15 to 30 bucks for it.
Retro to the max.
Yeah, do you have any more retro stuff like that?
Do I what?
Do you have any more retro stuff like
I
that?
do, but I didn't bring it.
Oh no.
Yeah, I've got some of the coolest stuff.
That fanny pack is super cool.
Can I tell you, I got this there, and I've had more guys to say, and it's an original.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not the new blah,
I
blah,
gotcha.
blah. I don't love this thing.
How much for your fanny pack?
No, can't
Come
do it. It
on.
was such a good, no, it's such a good trip. Here, let me sell you this retro.
Barbie paper dolls.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you need that. It's flat, it's packable.
Yeah, I think I'll just set up for that.
That's fine. That's fine.
There we go. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
man. Appreciate you.
Enjoy that that 1980s radio.
Yeah.
It's got the look, doesn't it?
It does. It's super cool. Just throw snap. Throw snaps. I was wondering if I can take the plastic off to look at the shirts.
Yes, I would
Okay.
like for you to.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Yeah, she said we could take it off, so.
Yeah, I know how we got this up here. Because it was bad last night and the wind blowing.
Did you leave it all out?
Yes, of course we did.
Excuse me, I'm going for this right here.
What is it?
How much is this one? There's no price
See,
on
I
it.
don't see. This is not mine. The
Okay.
green ribbons are all mine.
This is
I'm
green. This is green.
Oh well, well, that's right. That,
They didn't have a price on it.
but that's not my shirt.
No.
So I don't know why. Oh, what? Are you interested in this shirt?
Yes, ma'am.
$3.
Okay.
It made a lot more
And you can have the hanger too.
But close
Thank you.
right was real important.
Oh, yeah. I mean, but those are so cool.
I gotta be cool.
Yeah, I mean, you are cool.
I'm older and I gotta be cool.
Oh, you're not old. You look younger than me.
Sit down. I was born in 39.
39?
You're born in 39?
That
Wow, you look
adds about
great for your age.
25 years.
For the war.
I remember the days when I sold steps like crazy.
All right, I'm going to walk around and see if I can find anything else. Okay?
Yeah. What is that?
There are Oliver People's eyeglasses.
Oh, okay.
Brand.
I don't see a brand on it.
Don't matter. Check the pattern out, dude. There is a site.
This is 1881. Rogers.
How much is the whole set?
$20.
Are there any big ones in there?
Big ones? Like big spoons? Yeah.
Any funky looking ones? That have like holes in them?
fork.
Just look up repose.
6 forks sold for 35 bucks.
Yeah, also I think it's probably worth the whole lot.
So we'll take 15 for it.
What's the price? I thought
20.
20. Probably wet.
Martha, you got 20 in this. Would you take 15?
Yes.
All right. We're just throwing money at you right now.
Thanks for being so kind today.
Thank you, dealing with my annoying friends over there. Right?
15.
Yes, ma'am.
Are they your annoying
Yeah,
friends?
they are. Thank you so much for
Y'all
being.
are having fun, and I like that.
Yeah, that's right.
Life is fun. Now,
Absolutely.
Did you pay for that shirt?
I'm gonna pay her. That's her shirt.
That's all right. You pay me.
Okay.
I just.
She said $3.
$3.
So
So I
actually,
write-
did you
I-
change her 20? All right. You want to do $2 then?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Right there.
All right. Thank you guys. How you guys doing today? Good. Let's see. You guys got any other video games? Is it? You guys any more video game stuff? No.
He does, but he don't want to sell it.
Don't want to sell?
Never seen that one.
Not getting it. By any chance, you have the discs for this one? Unfortunately, this was missing the second disc. If you guys ever find the Xbox 360 Saint Rose collection that has 1 and 2 in it, it usually sells for $20-25, but unfortunately they couldn't find it. Would you do $2 a piece if I just buy a stack of them? You have $3 a piece on them. Yeah, okay. I got 5, so. Actually, look at that one too. I got 6, so 12.
I would say if you want the other one, just take out one with you.
Yeah, and I don't have the other disc, so I appreciate those. Yeah, you guys have a good day.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
I see one thing on one channel, which
How you doing today?
alright. I'd like to have me a job where I could lie all the time to keep my job.
Be a politician.
Be a weatherman. This is one of those instances where you guys have to be careful. I looked this item up on eBay. There's a couple listed right now, anywhere from 125 to like 150 bucks, but there's no sold comps in the last 90 days. I did pull it up on WorthPoint. I did find some that did sell over the last couple years, but used, this was selling around 30 to 40 bucks, and it was missing some pieces, so I decided to pass on it. But always be careful. People that own this barn do clean outs of houses. So what they do is they put all the inventory in this barn, and it's what they call a barn sale. If you guys have never been to a barn sale, you got to dig and look through every area you possibly can, because you will find some hidden deals and things hiding out there in the background. You just have to look out for them. Spotted something over here in the back corner. Now I got to be careful. There's a giant hole in the floor, and I don't have no idea what's living down there, but let's see what we find. J-Rod, I'm going to need your help for a second. Yeah. Let me hand you this.
Oh, nice. Is it a Sony Striker?
Nope, it's a Toshiba. Do you have an outlet I can try this TV out?
Right along the wall, if you can reach him.
Ah, shit, I just brought it over there.
It's all right, if it's too far that way. I have a short drop board I just put up here
right.
somewhere. Hold on, let me look.
This would be good if we could test out all these electronics, if you find anything. Bro, this thing better not zap me, bro. Ugh. I get hand sanitizer, by the way, in the truck, so. Dude, it's like a $100 TV.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, those little CRTVs do well. A lot of people think the market is dead. And,
Dude, I'd kill it.
Those people just have $186 shipping cost.
Yeah. Ship this thing for like 15, 20 bucks.
Yeah.
So they're easy to ship. How much are you, what do you ask on that TV? Okay. Oh, okay. On this TV here.
I'll take $5.
$5, you got a deal.
I didn't know if you know how they work.
Yeah. No, I pick them up when I can. So I like to use them for like retro gaming, like hooking up the old.
My stepson's 11, and he's got one a little bit bigger.
Nice.
He begged me for a box TV. I'm like, what the heck? And the games won't work on them.
Oh yeah.
Nintendos and stuff don't work as good, for sure.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
State cleanouts and garage cleanouts and warehouse strip cleanouts.
And then you just would just do barn sales.
And we own a tree company.
It's funny, man. It's my dad. My dad owns a tree service and hauling company up in Pennsylvania. I grew up doing that. Yeah.
But
like, it's weird how many people die that don't have next to kin.
oh, it's crazy.
It's insane. Yeah. Or how many
Everybody next to kin really
don't want the stuff? Don't want the
don't even want to look at it.
Yeah. I was waiting for a giant rat to come jumping out at me. There's a whole thing of glasses on this side.
Oh,
The yellow container.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if I can. Here, if I move this out, you might be able to reach underneath here, cut through. Can you pull through there? I know you like that stuff. Might be something in there.
I sure do.
Got
We're finding a bunch of small
but
stuff.
got a TV,
You got a TV?
CRT,
Oh, nice.
$5,
$5.
and it works.
So there's a place now where I'm at where you can literally go. It's a gaming store.
Yeah.
You can literally take those in and they'll give you $50 for them. I'm like, dude, that's well worth not having to
Ship it.
ship the thing.
They're easy to ship though. They only take.
Remote boy over here.
Oh yeah.
Found any good ones?
Well, he's looking them up now.
I found a few and they'll sell for like 15.
I'm just waiting for the rats to climb up my
I
legs.
know.
No, yeah, probably. Yeah, I got the. He told me $5 on the TV. Thank you, sir. That's cool.
Well, that's interesting.
Yeah, just sitting there.
Yeah. Those are the things that you always think would be worth more, and then you look them up and it's like $8.
Oh my God, look at this. The storm has just destroyed this highway sale. Books, magazines, soaking wet. I mean, it's just, storm just came through and literally just took out the clothing rack, pieces of falling off the tables. Oh, what is this? Oh, a broken arm. Yeah, this is a cool piece. Danbury mint.
Betty Boop, Danbury.
Unfortunately, the arm's busted.
Oh, that stinks.
Yeah.
That's it though?
Yep.
Man,
I know, it's a really cool piece.
I mean, Danbury mint.
I know.
I mean, nothing with the price tags is actually what they're at.
No. Yeah.
Betty Boop just sells like crazy.
I know.
It's too big to take home. Since I'm taking
You should get it for Mike.
Dawn stuff.
Right there.
J-Rod, leave it for J-Rod.
Sanderson Sisters.
Got a Grinch down.
You want the Grinches?
No. If I can't find anything else to buy, I'll buy one.
I'll leave them in there for you. That's cool. In a second. See what else you got.
Mama, spray home.
Do you guys have tarps you putting out?
I recognize those.
Yep.
I had a crush on her growing up.
Did you?
Yeah, I sure did.
Let me see the shirt you got.
Oh.
Not much of the hard one.
Oh, it's just, it's
It's cool though.
How much for the shirts did you
I think probably $1.
Alright. Oh, you guys are all. Thank you so very much.
Yeah. You have rocks or something to put on top of this?
Yeah, we do.
Here, why don't you go grab something to put on top of it, and we'll put it on top for you. Commonwealth Picker saving yard sales. J. Wright Flips saving yard sales. Oh, look how fast those things are moving. Bro, look how fast those clouds are moving. Look how fast.
For the record, I said it wouldn't work, but that's all right. I'm gonna say.
You want to move those totes and we can grab these tables, just pull them inside the garage? Yeah.
David, we're going to choke you. We're going to choke you. We told him it was going to rain.
Move totes out. Here it is. J-Rod, this is this. Grab a table. That way you guys don't have to reset everything up. Just keep pulling back. Straight back. Go straight back. Farther back. Yeah. So that way we can fit as many tables as we can. Why don't you guys work on the other side and we'll work on these tables for you.
Here, take the middle table.
Getting some action footage here.
Here, hold on.
It's alright. Well, we got most of it.
We got most of it for you guys.
Thank you so much.
You guys rock. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hit real quick.
Oh my gosh.
Y'all go on, guys.
Yeah, you all are fine. We're gonna get so
Y'all go. You're out of
Most of it.
Yeah, you did.
You all did. You really did.
I really want to show you guys this video because this is the actual reality of reselling. I drove 12 hours to Kentucky for the Highway 127 sale, and one of the days I went out with a Commonwealth Picker and J. Wright Flips, we hit horrible weather. Early in the week, they had a tornado that went through. They had really bad storms all week. So there's times when we go out, you have to find indoor sales because everything was getting soaked wet outside. A lot of these vendors lost their tents or their items got damaged during the storms. When we had that last yard sale, it was a lady with her daughter and her grandmother. If we didn't help them out, their stuff would have got destroyed. If you guys are out and about, make sure you try to help people at sales. It's really important. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. If you guys aren't following the Commonwealth Picker and J. Wright Flips, give them a follow. Great people. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.